Welcome to Auto Trend. Today, we're diving into a unique piece of automotive history as we explore the Toyota Alphard 1963. While the modern Alphard is known for its luxury and versatility, its origins in the 1960s carry a fascinating story that showcases Toyota's innovative approach to car design. The Toyota Alphard 1963 was a forward-thinking vehicle for its time. Its sleek lines, compact yet functional design, and efficient performance made it stand out among the vehicles of the era. This model catered to families and individuals seeking comfort and practicality, while still delivering Toyota's signature reliability. Under the hood, the Alphard 1963 featured a dependable engine that offered smooth performance for its time. Its sturdy build and precise engineering meant this car was designed to handle various road conditions effortlessly. Toyota's focus on creating a balanced vehicle made the Alphard an ideal choice for everyday use. The interior was simple but functional, with a layout focused on comfort and usability. Its seating arrangement and intuitive dashboard made it easy for drivers to enjoy their time on the road. Though it lacked the high-tech features we see in today's models, the 1963 Alphard offered an impressive driving experience that resonated with its owners. The Toyota Alphard 1963 may not be as well known as some of Toyota's other models, but it represents an important chapter in the company's journey toward becoming a global leader in automotive excellence. It's a reminder of how innovation, practicality, and style come together to create timeless vehicles. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible automotive stories. See you next time on Auto Trend.